Honda unveils the BR-V N7X Edition at Indonesia International Motor Show 2024, redefining the large SUV 7-seater category. The vehicle combines style, advanced technologies, and powerful performance, offering a unique driving experience. The car's design now looks even more stylish with a two-tone concept that combines black with chrome. Changes to the exterior of the new BR-V N7X Edition include the addition of the new exclusive N7X Edition Aero kit, which consists of a front underspoiler, side underspoiler, rear underspoiler, and dark chrome emblem. Apart from that, on the front, there is also a new sleek dark chrome front grille combined with chrome garnish, as well as a new LED Foglight with Stylish Chrome Garnish. Then you can also see the addition of black, which gives a sporty impression, where on the side there is a new power retractable black door mirror with LED turning signal and door handle and a tailgate spoiler. Then also added a new black shark fin antenna, new reflector garnish on the back of the car. Then the wheel now use black wheel arch protectors, which are even sportier with the new 17-inch progressive black alloy wheel design. The N7X Edition can be painted in a unique shade called Sand Khaki Pearl that's exclusive only to the special edition model. However, there are also other colors available like Opal White Pearl, Crystal Black Pearl, and Meteorite Grey. The spacious and comfortable cabin of the new BR-V N7X Edition is adorned with sleek black leather trimmed seats, adding luxurious touch. The steering wheel and gear lever are also covered in black leather for an upmarket feel. The SUV also comes packed with advanced Honda sensing safety tech, providing comfort and ensuring the protection of all passengers. Under the bonnet, the special edition BR-V houses the same setup found on the standard model. That's a 1.5-litre iVTEC 4-cylinder DOHC engine and pumps out a maximum power of 121 PS at 6,600 RPM and a peak torque of 145 Nm at 4,300 RPM. The power is sent to the front wheels via a continuously variable transmission. The N7X Edition is offered in 3 variants, starting with the eCVT that retails for 319.4 million rupiah. This is followed by the Prestige CVT at 343.4 million rupiah and the range-topping Prestige with Honda sensing at 363.4 million rupiah.